Apple didn't just launch updates. They opened the gates to a whole new era of digital living. From mind-blowing AI to futuristic design, WWDC 2025 is not just a keynote, it's a glimpse into the next decade. To goad the end, to decode the revolution before the world catches up. The stage lights up, and there he is. Tim Cook brimming with energy. But wait, what's this? It's not diving straight into tech talk. Instead, we're treated to a sneak peek of Apple's upcoming F1 film. Crowds buzzing, but Tim's just getting started. So with a sly grin, he pivots. Now let's talk about the future of Apple. Enter Apple Intelligence, the AI powerhouse that's about to change everything. Built with privacy at its core, this isn't just another chatbot. It's a personalized digital companion that understands you like never before. But Apple's not stopping there. Brace yourselves for the ChatGPT integration that's about to supercharge your productivity and creativity across all your favorite apps. Get ready for Genmoji, an image playground. Imagine creating custom emojis and stunning images with just your voice. But here's the kicker. You can control them with your facial expressions and gestures in real time. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in your pocket. Communication barriers? Consider them shattered? Live translation is here, seamlessly integrated into FaceTime, phone, and messages. The best part? It's all processed on your device, keeping your conversations private and lightning fast. Now, feast your eyes on liquid glass design. Apple's most ambitious visual overhaul yet. UI elements that flow and respond like living organisms. Creating an interface that's not just beautiful, but feels alive under your fingertips. iOS 26, watchOS 26, macOS Tahoe, KOS 26. The gang's all here, and they're more unified than ever. Each one embracing the new design language and powered by deeper AI integration that LL make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Your favorite apps? They're getting a major glow as the phone app, messages, photos, and Safari are all sporting sleek new looks. Prepare for mind-bending 3D photo effects and floating tab bars that'll make navigation a breeze. Workout enthusiasts, meet your new best friend. The Workout Buddy AI coach on watchOS. It's like having a personal trainer that knows you inside out. It's delivering encouragement and advice tailored just for you. Powered by cutting-edge generative AI. Calling all gamers. The new Games app is here to unite your gaming life across all Apple devices. Compete with friends, rack up achievements, and pick up right where you left off, no matter which screen you're on. Transition to futuristic spatial computing visuals. But we're not done yet. VisionOS 26 is taking spatial computing to new heights. Imagine collaborating in 3D environments, manipulating spatial widgets, and bringing your wildest ideas to life in ways you never thought possible. And just when you think it can't get any better, Craig Federighi steals the show. With his trademark charm and a few surprise cameos, he turns what could be dry tech talk into an edge-of-your-seat spectacle. This isn't just an update, it's a revolution. Apple has rewritten the future of technology, and it's more exciting, more intuitive, and more powerful than we ever imagined. From AI that understands U2 interfaces that come alive at your touch, WWDC 2025 has set the stage for a decade of innovation. The future is here, and it's more incredible than we ever dreamed. Are you ready to step into tomorrow? Because with Apple, the next big thing isn't just around the corner, it's in your hands right now.